Good morning, students. Today we will start with our next lesson, that is chapter number 12, India, its human resources. In this lesson, children, we will learn about population, population density, and problems due to overpopulation. So, we are going to read about these things in this chapter. Now, children, let us solve this small exercise which is given on first page. How do these people serve the society? Write a few lines about them. So children, as you can see, there are three pictures on the first page, and the first picture is of a doctor. So the doctor, whenever we fall sick, the doctor checks us, he gives us medicine, and he treats us. The second image is of a sweeper. So the sweeper keeps our environment, our surroundings clean by cleaning the roads, by cleaning the drains, etc. And in the last image or picture, children, you can see there are policemen. So the policemen, they protect us, they guard our country, and if someone violates the rules or breaks the rules, so they punish them. So these are some ways in which these people serve the society. Now, children, let us start reading the lesson. Nature has gifted our country with a large variety of resources. It is not enough to have a large area or a number of natural resources to make the country rich. These resources have to be made useful by the human beings. The people should be educated, healthy, skilled, and hardworking. That is why the people or human beings in a country are called the human resources. So, children, nature has provided our country with large variety of resources like soil, forest, water, and mineral. But these resources cannot make our country rich. For that, we need to have human beings so that they can make these resources useful. So, people should be educated, healthy, skilled, and hardworking. Then only they can make the natural resources useful. And that is why people or human beings in a country are called human resources. So, children, suppose we have a lot of minerals in our country, but we don't know what to do with those minerals. Then these minerals will be of no use to us. So, that is why, children, skilled, educated, and hardworking people are needed to turn these resources into valuable products. Now, let us read the second paragraph. Today, we have large machines which can do the work of hundreds of people. The credit goes to the people like scientists, technicians, etc. Now, skilled workers are needed to run the machines so that the main need is large number of skilled workers. In order to progress, every country must look after its natural as well as human resources. Now, children, we have different types of machines that can do work of hundreds of people. But the credit to make these machines goes to the scientists and technicians who have made these machines. So, skilled workers or trained workers are needed to run or work on those machines. Then only those machines will be of use to us. So, we need large number of skilled workers, and in order for any country to progress, they must look after both natural resources like soil, water, forests, and minerals, as well as human resources. Now, let us read the third paragraph. After independence, efforts have been made to develop our resources to meet the needs of the people. Progress has been made in agricultural and industrial production, but development in all fields has greatly improved the standard of living of the people. Half of the people of our country are still poor. They do not get enough to eat. One of the reasons for such poverty is the ever increasing population. Another reason is the unequal distribution of wealth. Now, children, after India got its independence, efforts have been made by people to develop our resources so that all the needs of the people are fulfilled. And great progress have been made in agricultural and industrial production. Development are made in all fields, like education has become better, there are better health facilities, job opportunities are there. So all these has improved the standard of living of the people. Now what do you mean by standard of living? Standard of living means how well people can live and fulfill all their needs and demands. So, all these developments have improved the style of living of the people. But, children, still, half of our population is very poor. There is poverty in India. They do not get enough to eat. So, the poor people, they don't get enough food to eat. And one of the reason for poverty is increasing population, and second reason is unequal distribution of the wealth. So children, as we all know that the population of India is over 1 billion. So there are a lot of people living in India, and the wealth is concentrated in the hands of rich people. So wealth means money is in the hands of rich people. So the rich people, they are becoming richer day by day, and the poor people are becoming poorer day by day. So that is why half of the people of our country are still very poor. So children, today we will read till here only. In the next class, we will continue with the same topic. So children, till then, read the topic which I have taught today, and I will see you in the next class. Thank you, children.